So as we are here now, how to create a post. You have our blog, which is self-care blog. You come to new post here. Here you come to this side, the top right corner. You click on new post, or you click on this plus sign in your top and down left corner in your social bar. It's called the social bar. What is it called? You click on create new post. It will take you to here where you can put your title. Like now your title will be what you will be discussing, those keywords that we used. Self-care. This is just an example. Self-care. Let's say maybe you want to discuss about self-care apps. Just come and copy. This is to be done if you already have the knowledge about what you want to discuss. Self-care apps. Let's say this is how to make a topic. Let's say top 10 list. Okay, top 10 self-care apps, or top 5 self-care apps, self-care house. Yeah. Now this, then you come here, you start writing. From here. You can give paragraph, you can give. Meanwhile, you need a heading for it. A heading. You make sure this your topic is in the heading. This should be a heading, which is header 1, I think. Okay, heading here. Now you now type maybe top 10 or top 5. It's top 5 self care apps. I click on enter to take you to new paragraph. And if you are done typing, so then you now this should be you. Then you make an introduction. Make an introduction to your topic. Then you write about your topics. Since this one is list of 10 top 5 self-care apps, you start listing and explaining them in short. Start listing app 1, the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, and then you now make maybe like recommendation or conclusion. Your conclusion is just the summary of what you did. Meanwhile, since this one is list of 10, then you now maybe like recommend the type of self-care app you want people to go for. You understand that you've used, and then you found that it's very good. So this is how to write a blog to keep your users updated. Meanwhile, in your body you need to put images. So in our next lesson, we will tell you how to put images and other things in your blog to spice it up.